Starting with the hands at the heart center. From here, inhale, lift the knee into the chest. Slowly wrapping that right leg around the left. Maybe it goes once, just like that, or maybe it wraps twice. From here, inhale, sweep the arms, press the palms. Exhale, right arm underneath. Inhale, lift the elbows away from the chest. Exhale, you can stay here with a straight spine, otherwise bring the elbows to the knee, coming into full eagle pose. Breathing in, breathing out, finding balance. From here, inhale, lifting up, bring that knee back into the chest. Exhale, release, hands to heart center. On the left now. From here, inhale, left knee into the chest. Again, guiding that leg around the standing leg, maybe once, maybe twice. From here, inhale, sweep the palms, press to touch. Exhale, left arm underneath this time. Inhale, elbows away from chest, create that space. From here, you can go all the way or stay up nice and tall. Breathing in, breathing out. Finding your balance, staying strong. Inhale, come all the way up, unravel, press palms to touch. Exhale, release, back to standing.